iyo mbaɗi ngol ntele murtali ya jang lafta ko dole bondi nyoto wala lafta ko Fabakary Tombong yata la courrier ala yitandi moli e PRC gano alliance mbi mol be konton yo clean
as a democratic party
itol be no
we cannot prevent anybody from no matter what your last position is, you cannot prevent you from going and align yourself with any other party. In that case, you have already removed yourself from the APR. So all those who are with all those with the NPP, I have no, I'm not approving it. We are not going to align with the NPP. We are aligning ourselves with Gallo Party. Let me make it very clear why I kept quiet for so long, because what we call password in local language was going on, and if I had spoken,
but the area of 5 years,
the traitors wouldn't have been known. That is why I kept quiet so long.
Yeah, understand. Loi fongo ying another falling. Bibi dabo nyol wal isunyin samba ko so ye loi nyin falling. So normally Italy min fo kabri loi nyin falling da ne atara itul manke fania molti ne atara itul manke jamfa molti tendum president jamila to inyanta ka o kije kabri bibi dabo nyol ye nyin falling bar mun yat ne ma kije bo president jamila jamfa kan andung be fania leke kan taring kabri Fabakary Tombong yata nyol sita pour ka president Jammeh Jamfa because Fatoumata Diakhoumpa Cissé family ya confirm ko lafta nun ka bay bare akada ko comme dol man dako dol dakorta yo so ñim ne bayitandi la molier ko itul kamin foko itul la president Jammeh la interest ibe wala fayr kan o man soto bi aman soto sama ko na odi man la fay Jamfa wala tan lafta ko wal tariyandi yo fania flanjango ye mone fo moli kabiri moli ni nga moyle ko alnim barole ka négociation e ko yemin fo moli iko hani wo manke toñati wo man soto ndol kam négocier wolem ndol la account li min frus na motol ye min tam militaire min be kanila ngamune je wolem NPP APRC alliance itol ye min fo so ala jibe de so ni momo la fa Fabakary Tombong jatan noma bi itele la fa ka noma pour que tara wona Afrique ya kono bare a manque toñabe damin itema long wala koyta we go to the other point iko false was iko ko do man soto koto ken wala tane do lafta kata alliance la sa president Jammeh min tamu patiti ako alkana taje so wala ne azara ko do la problème president Jammeh wo solve la iko hani wo itol man son ala jibe de ni la fania yo iko itolani alliance o jumale ke president Jammeh mine fo area kono ako atemeki sorry in his call atemeki they did not have his blessings, not his consent. So aliamo ile Fabakary Tombong yata la faniade okay di tadu dum wala iko alliance woni president Jammeh la interest but president Jammeh fangole bota anara ako hani ndeda ate woto because nying president Jammeh fa mantara ala interest jibeka banko la interest jibeka ako no my interest is the development of the country, so until in party kafala me alonko is not there for the interest of the country. So hani sign ibiyede ani sign e man sonde faniade in faniado fengita ninga faniado sa ni alon ne ko faniani there is no way ye faniado dabar ye ya try ye faniado nati ninga wo fanan ninga wo fanan tay bulu wala ninga wo fanan tinya e bulu de faniado dabar sala alaji bede e katade they go to the other point. Because alliance is for the interest of the party again and the interest of the country. Ya go fanan faniality because ni ajibe ni ko party all wol fon male man song jani president me ya diam idul fon party fon man song dudu ja fon la ya fole ko even base mol boga son ka findi ka biri alliance ko nyi fo so ni go is for the interest of the party ya go fanan faniality ni go for the interest of the country. Gambia na ni atara Cairo be Gambia ndul bele yallo ni atara Cairo tije ndul bele yallo wo man mo kumpa go security tije ala ma faran le findi tele kono kabira abe speech di kan ko security man betia ko soldaro security mall wali extra standby pour que security nyim betiande so nim Fabakary Tombong jata nata ko is for the interest of the party and the interest of the country wo fana mu woli yalti wala tan ko ni lafta momo na lafta ka Fabakary Tombong Jatta noma aba noma la bare tonya be damen amam mo tije sign at this moment me alonko is a Gambian me man tonya be damen long you understand all right. We go to the other point. A press conference do lege go be molle baykan. It makes no sense be no sunu dabo ko abe us Adama Barrow bayla. For me it makes no sense. So iko wulo mi alon ko I don't know a toothless dog cannot bite. So it will be tarlaje rek ka wuri bare ite fenken wala. Abe kola ni atara it will ye molle soto. Yalla ni silent dul kana sama berale soto la iko gunyo. Silent mina ralil organize la ni atara tonya it will ye mol sotele wo frambe koyla amanjeri nga nyo soso amanjeri nga mu pushing alright. I got the other point is that iko mol mi alongo waldi am ta wolni president Jammeh di am ta kabri president Jammeh école ke kanila wol mol ma honest muni atna president Jammeh be di am la ni atelier Fabakary Tombong Jatta ñol because president Jammeh lafta min almantara keka it makes no sense. So nal ko honesty wala atol ma honest because mol mal Tombong wala president Jammeh mal Tombong kabaro makoy. So when you talk about honesty, that is not from your side. You people are not honest. You people are a bunch of fools and betrayers. Okay, so we go to the other point again. Ako as keno president Jammeh mole ya advice pour ay ni decision no nyinke bar decision no nyima correct. But decision no nyi ni ajibe fam amanke president Jammeh damma le man song NPP alliance. Gambia di wol fam parti kendo petorti Gambians wole fam man song. So ni go president Jammeh mistake ta. I think you are talking something that has no sense. Fabakary Tombong Jatta be min diam it makes no sense. Because baro kakafo baroma amang Gambia di wol nafa, amang parti wol nafa, amang president Jammeh nafa, amang banko nafa. So if you people tell us that your decision is right when malo albe jumale neneka because alla politiko wo mo nenen dolti nim fanya so bare alse min neneka wo manke ntolti. We go to the other point. Iko earlier decision ni earlier means on the 2nd September wolem NPP APRC alliance parti yo nyi Gambia dingol le tamo mol bam balan ko Gambia dingol le tamo bar Gambia dingol fana le afoko itol ni Adama Barrow tara alliance because Adama Barrow man tara do kukan Adama Barrow ni parti jamale kafuta I forget nyina ta famo ka listo nyi jibe bar abe watch on Gambia parti yo ngamira tara fo parti lul. So mol kamin fo okay tol APRC tol da mata carte winno la o fani yaldi ni atara Adama Barrow sonta ko atilla ta fanna ko ati nyi parti yo bi min kafuta abe election winna muni atna Adama Barrow be APRC la support nyini ka. That is the fact. Ni atara Adama Barrow la ta fanna ko ati be election winna aman jari ay APRC la support nyini. So wo mo fani yaldi be wala dabar ka e fani ya nati jandro ndol bina ka ko wali nyim bondi atol ka bondi nyoto. We will be here to make sure that we analyze and tell you what is the reality. We go to the other point. Ako nyali ako itoli modole bondi mi alon ko wal nin nam lebe do ko wala lafta nam la wal ma Adama Barrow la NPP support fo ni atara aliye wol dahandide wol fana man traje so mo mi alon ko man traje ni ko ibe wombo bondi la ya understand wala yalla ne ite ke fanne nene wala ke fanne betande because wo mare ya fam bondi je so ni te ko ko te nata ka fam bondi wala ite la vaka dia mole siande ya understand so ñil iman do ko wala soto iman time wala soto be min ke kan o im ngamer iman wala long kino bugo ila dia mo ñi ntebuka understand ni diamta it makes like people who have no sense te malo itoli sembe sifa nyaadi les because president Jammeh kabira abe baykan iko president Jammeh ma sembo soto and loi to la constitution APRC constitution wala sembo di president Jammeh because Fabakary Tombong Jatta is not elected election wala ka carte o fay mo man carte o fay Fabakary Tombong Jatta e Fabakary Tombong Jatta ala pala so ni ya tombone mi ya tombon wala sa bondino je wala jumati president Jammeh. So president Jammeh mi ya tombo ni atema bondino je Fabakary Tombong Jatta atibe jumale bondi la je so wala mi yana itum MPP moliti so iba try at all cost to make sure that we fail but that will never happen because ntol kaminje it will buka jino so this is the problem ni alonno then ibe min try kan ita trala. We go to the other point. Yeah, our alliance with NPP is our interest, and with NPP is for the interest of the country and peace and progress. Okay, go alliance wo mun to la kairotin to la nyato ta anung bankola interest. Okay, but ni aji ben to la nato ta ni atara Gambia beta nyato to bele along ya wo fana wuli ya dolti yo ni atara Gambia Cairo biye to fana ngalo ne because the minje even security wise ala wara fangole ya admit because he has failed to nalko alliance woni to la Cairo le ya wo fana mu wuli yalti wala tan ko fa bakar to mo jata mo manyen na lala atela fa bakar tam mo jata fa manyen na kadiyamu moya moye wo ko mo muta asirio go fa bakar jom mo jata ka briana te APRC wuliya upon wuliya and the third one is like iko nyaari for the interest of the country la interest jamali bije ndola banko la sovereignty ba be di ka ya di Senegal la Gambia fa hanin to la so jarol fa e man se mbosul to la on country ni ko is for the interest of the country wo fa no mu wuliyalti so fa bakar to mo jata ni mo lafta ka noma e ba noma la because ite fa mo manke to nyamoti ite fa mo man tiling ni te tiling tanu to nyabe damen ite ya long. So ni lafta fa bakar to boy jata normal. Yes, it's normal. That is democracy. But can have APRC to use here because this has nothing to do with APRC. APRC nene man banko la toro support. Banko la Cairo ani banko la
democracy. A democratic party. They cannot prevent anybody from. No matter what your rank position is, you cannot prevent you from going and align yourself with any other party.
According to lafta development
you have already removed yourself from
the President Jamila interest for development. From one funny year to the other. Oh, sorry, no audio. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, I'm sorry. Because of Bankola
I'm not approving it.
From one funny year
they are not going to align with NPT. We are aligning ourselves with
President Jamila interest. But I understand President
Jamila. Let me make it very clear why I kept quiet for so long, because what we call password in local language was going on. And if I had spoken, those the traitors wouldn't have been known. That is why I kept quiet so long.
It is development jumaleje. It is dame because amanjeri nganyo nene. Ni atara ite fana jam fatale ite development jelle ri wala ite development jelle je mi alonko wala be caring so wo fana mo faniyalti adam bar la man sakunda amanna ka mol develop. They just came to enrich themselves. Itul da mali be balukan banko mol be jihad kan banko mol be torakan. So we want a change in that system. You understand? Ako abentul fanan dandalaka pro kana logo APRC la logo le use eventual sambala even legally loi bundal to the law sorry to bend sorry be how you can because man left na audio jump back. So all right, okay. Iko left until sambala loi la wala eventual sambala loi la ninga APRC la logo use wala ninga fenke APRC to yala yon tolbe intebe dandala ka minna wale aman jari ka dandaro ke ide dandaro ni ametale. So the best would have been kata as the court, as simple as that. So ni ata itul be tonyaka yalla fort court ba fola ni ata itul mantara tonyaka court fana ba fola par lungolun dandalaro ibe jumale threatening nola ite hani mo claim threatening nola. They cannot threaten anyone. So for mol mi alon ko malo yalla tretino wala ikamol min silandi wala mol mi alon ko amalo fo abe min ke kan to nyaba bulu bang fo to nyata bulu bare mol mi alon ko aya lonne akoyta ko atebe to nyale kan yalla ne woni ise ke nyawonya ate obe lorine so tol wo be lorine kay tol lamoy so min dabar kan mo kana sila so I'll go to another important point be min dani kan Gambia no le wala dul nyanta ka son to nyala ni moy tinyaro ke. We don't have to side by that person. Manyan na ka wo support wala nga foko he hani wo atinyaro ke nyawanya manyan na baila wala manyan na disciplinary actions tala no nintu lafta banko itanyato nintu lafta Gambia itanyato hani nintu la forum nintu lafta nga itanyato ni mo ilu atinya disciplinary actions has to be taken. So maybe wala muni at nga nyimbi court na wala President Jammeh according to during this interview ay Fabakary Tombong Jatta ñulla executive dissolve la bari itolle a dani no mole a dani no so wala dina president Jammeh nata ke tuje yo ya ñin daniro wobe Africa abe siaring wala dina Africa nulma Africa man tano bak ikaji moye tinyaro ke after mol be ya dani ka foko mi tinyaro ke ngatuye wo man tol samba nyato de bi min ben tol samba nyato wole mo na tinyaro ke na bondi after ngata nga fa ko ite min ke woni silo man ta so next time kana nyinke so dararo nyeke ni adana president Jammeh ay nyin executive for dissolve flenu ima dani num ya understand tendu ngunu nyi diam sianye problemo nyi ya lonko problemo nyi mimbe kerin sign ate kala num so iba jela nyin should have been history but the problem with the Gambians is especially the Africans is Africanul bukalafi ite dadaroke itul kalafi minna wala tiñaralal be dame idol kala fe haniyata tiñarala be pala soto ya tujedro ay tiñaroke o man tol samba ñaato de ne aji hana adama barola man sakunda man tano ñaato is because of this ni moy tiñaroke ya bulaji ni moy million rusunya ya bulaji wo man tol samba ñaato so we have to learn a lesson from this mo nay tiñaroke make sure that if disciplinary actions wala if he is being disciplined ne atara mol ba discipline kan make sure that you just keep quiet kana fo amare mimba discipline kan ko amanya na kala hani because woman tol samba nyato after the disciplinary action kabri ni a discipline foka pare yeta ni be tonya fola afo min boyta ko ite minke ani silo manta ani lowa manta so abula wala this and this ya advice abe min kala to make sure that he is right. But to prevent somebody who wants to take disciplinary actions is not a good move. Okay. We go to the other point. I'm sorry. We go to the other point. Iko Italy eletna fana safe IEC ka foye mimbe kere. Antul fana la mol bela taro safera. Safero atul la mama lo wala atul la mama lo. Chuhani aje mune adna ntola IEC sorry wala mune adna IEC because yo ngun ndor fon lebe kiri ko IEC ko tole Fabakary Tombong Jatta araga ko nay IEC ye min lonno itoli ya wala fo IEC yal APRC hani mol mimbe APRC la constitution of ni ma ri ital lonna so ndola keba fana lebe ko wol nyin bondi la nyoto wala dolle beta IEC ya fo IEC ko ñin ne be kere to la constitution e ñin ne fo to la constitution ya fo ko president Jammeh le sembo so do ka molu bay mi ya fo IEC to fana ba jibe la okay iba lon nako okay tonya atolle be tonya ka so wo ma nyanna modde wonna is Kenya o nyang ya understand we will always have a way out so well and the most important thing is we are working with Gano so that's the most important thing don't after mimina we can get it through Gano legally, be it the permit, any other thing that we can have, we can get it legally. So we can model. So ntibe mi advise a militant so liye ko. Yi ko rally alsi finti alieta ay liye la moy roke. So tiya aliya je dawda aliya alsi je noma. Nyata almaje alla natalo nale na ni aliye la natalo je aliye natalo fanan natalo be dame alsalon ko ntol be jeto. BBB is APRC landi note is a safety yan la box so landi not jang so ni president Jammeh ko no APRC ni example ya tantable force kan alta safety yan hadraya bitaje so it will be min fokan ya understand it will ka campaign APRC to yala bar intul amanke woti intul ka president Jammeh intul chodi dame intul kataje so this is the difference so alkana worry alkana alkana alfam batandi iman campaign le no iman political le no wala tinna because what they are doing ni atara itoli political no ita ta la ka mo force because mo mi la ko carte ala carte amantere ti bulo abe ate fawle bulo ni ko be o mari force la ya understand that means you are disturbing yourself ate kalita ko Jammeh ya lonne ka biri utol be négociation ro ke kan barantul fanam bele akalamta ko president Jammeh ya fo janne ko ate audio ni afindita ko president Jammeh ko ate mantrap be wala ada mantrap a damandira coalition la anin president Jammeh so anin president Barrow ntul bele o kalamta ntul bele ya moy so ni Fabakary Tombong Jatta ko anata ko to ka foko e president Jammeh o kalamta le ni president Jammeh ko amma o kalamta o manka to nyati ntul nga bello jumali ka wuli afo sign abe koita mul bele ya lo so Fabakary Tombong Jatta as a fan ya dabar nyawnya people lost confidence in him ala credibility ya understand ability nyata yo ifatu jambo sisi fananko itol fango lafta hani ka president Jammeh bay bare mol dol man so ni ko president Jammeh falan la interest wo mo faniyaldi mo mi ya lonko altata fo al lafta ka bay patio kon patio mi ya lonko altante so nal ko alwa alla wo mo la interest abe albe wala fayr kan wo fana mo wuli yalti fatu mata jambo sisi fanan la audio ako ni president Jammeh yininka alliance ako hani sa ni Fabakary Tombong Jatta ko president Jammeh ate kalita ko president Jammeh ya lonne est-ce que le president Jammeh ya lonne bal ala jabiro mo munti wolem hani so wo fana it has been confirmed by different people at wala on more ñinu la wali wuliya wala ni alon ko ñinu be faniyala muniatna it's easy to know that these people are always lying because bi ni fatu bata jahumba diamta Fabakary Tombong Jatta e diam Rambo e diam Dudu Dia e diam tout le kumol fango abuka ke kilinti it is always contradictory so fania fola ni lafta ka long e ba nyinin kala bi na e fem for bi just give him in 3 months time ya nyinin ka wokuola again abe nyinala bar ni tra tonyalem do ni ya nyinin ka again as keno he will not use the same word but it will be the same message so nte wala dina ka biri nyun dat nyinu start ka fania dada wala ka fania fo ka biri nga bor ko lamo after ka bira boraje na Aissatou Jiba ji fanga fanal lamoy you know na Fabakary Tombong Jatta lamoy tulle kumol fango you know is in conflict so wo tumo le nga lonko these people what they are saying is all lies so imantara tonya kan bi ando ilitar la tonya kan sam so comme nga fo nyame ndoro lafta dan na jam na audio man la fay jam fa bake bar alkana sila fenna ntol we are on the right track. Legally we are right, morally we are also right. Banko dingo lafta minna ntol be la frey wala legally fana tuste kenola itol be mole traité ndika itol ba tara la ka mole discourage itol ba tara la pour e ba tara kan at all cost pour kan tol felindi bar e ba lonna ko we will never fail because we will never relent andon to ngal don nem ben politico kala nyame. What we should do at this time is like ntola Fabakary Tombong Jatta buka sankata dame campagnola these are the areas me alone control nyande kataje back areal me alone is not our strongholds it's not APRC stronghold ntola nyande kataje nga campaigno ke because Fabakary Tombong Jatta man do ko ke Fabakary Tombong Jatta ntol batandi back ala campaigno be mu kombo anim basente ngawol leji so when we put the right strategy in place you understand we will win. So it's only the strategy that we need because doku woni ngakele Gambiano ya jele. So it's only to tell Gambians that ndol danta dame lafta kana ka continue je. But doku bali ya wotiye. So niko ndol dama te election win la. Ni atara Adama Barrow lata ko ate dama aba election win la. Then muniatina Adama Barrow be APRC la support nyine kam. Ya womo faniyalti. Yo, so mbe audio nyin danna jam because man life I jam fa time to time I will come and make sure that I clarify things that are not clear and I will try to clarify things that are not also true. I'll be here for you. So this is a time for sacrifice. We have to sacrifice for the country. We have to sacrifice for the party and enjoy later in life. So everybody has to be a campaign manager and everybody has to be ready to sacrifice because it's only almost 1 month. Plus, so after 1 month, God we will enjoy. Mbal tend to come, APRC, Gano Alliance, for another time. Thank you all.